legit. Anything you want.
Tron reaches new heights with Satowallet amid industry skepticism. Cryptocurrency pioneers are beginning to bare their teeth as competition and partnerships set new standards on a daily basis. Justin Sun, founder of the Tron Foundation, faced general criticism from peers shortly after announcing a new deal with Satowallet. Tron and Satowallet, the sky's the limit this week. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin made statements that seemed to articulate the cryptocurrency industry left no room for growth, at least compared to the 1.00x growth seen last year. Sun responded with both opposition and ambitious optimism, predicting the digital currency market will succeed two of the world's most financially and culturally powerful entities, Amazon and Apple. In a tweet, Sun said, "From this perspective, joining forces with Satowallet may be the answer to a variety of problems within the entertainment industry." The official currency of Tron TRX, is en route to achieving its goal as a decentralized medium for entertainment content sharing by investing in blockchain and peer-to-peer technologies. According to a Medium blog post, the partnership will result in positive changes within the trading community by integrating Tron and Tron Wallet with Satowallet for Apple, Android and PC products, as well as no transaction fees. Satowallet is already a richly versatile cryptocurrency conduit with a trading volume of $3 million. As a trillion-dollar business, Tron's conscious effort to decentralize the Internet's infrastructure supports the 62 cryptocurrencies already available with Satowallet. The Internet, while intangible, is a globally recognized entertainment source established by corporations like Amazon and Apple. Cryptocurrency with the Internet is an Ouroboros-like entity feeding on itself. As Buterin said, growth is a result of adoption and usage, which his own enterprise is vastly aware of. Much of the success attributed to awareness stems from collaboration. When the ceiling is reached, it's up to infrastructure architects like Sun to break the barrier down in a way that moves the industry forward. Case in point, Satowallet CEO Samuel Benedict Ogbonna announced on September 7 via a Facebook post that his company processed 1 billion Naira, crypto, $3,450,955, in August. For the two partners, their significantly different circumstances led them to the right deal at the right time. If there's a ceiling, perhaps for Tron and Satowallet, the sky's the limit. Tron TRX, a massive price spike is imminent. Tron TRX is fighting to pull itself up from the price depreciation it encountered for some time as it trails other cryptocurrencies. Currently, the market is performing dismally, swimming in the Red Sea, again, as virtual currencies recording trading lows that can only be compared to the lows of October and September 2017. The cryptocurrency sell-off that began in the first days of August has gone viral and looks unstoppable. Going by last weekend's trading, the market showed signs of recovery with the consolidation of the losses that had been encountered. However, virtual assets took yet another fall this week and the better part of trading on Tuesday 14. For instance, Ripple, XRP declined 3.77% to trade at $0.26 early this week, with Ethereum, ETH prices falling below the $300 mark to find a new support level at $250. Bitcoin Cash was also not spared, as it fell to exchange below the $500 mark to exchange at $497. Bitcoin Cash now embraces a new support level of $480. This negative market trend reflects on a majority of virtual coins and altcoins in the crypto ecosystem. However, for the prices of any virtual currency to skyrocket, It needs to increase its circulation in the market, and Tron TRX has been doing a great job in putting itself out there, increasing its chances of real-life usage. And following the current trends Tron TRX has been showing, it is safe to say that the digital coin is going to experience a significant price surge shortly. But what are some of the factors that might lead to Tron's upwards movement, you might ask? The following are some of the reasons we think might positively impact the virtual currency in the coming few days, weeks, and months. The acquisition of BitTorrent early this month. The crypto community woke up to the news that Tron TRX had successfully obtained BitTorrent, plus the positive launch of its Mainnet platform, aiding and increasing the coin's transaction volumes. The move, according to many, shows Tron's positive maturity, although recent price movements are yet to reflect this good news. BitTorrent continues to offer high-quality peer-to-peer services to over 100 million customers all over the world, as the acquisition of the company was aligned with Tron's mission of decentralizing the Internet. The challenge remains that BitTorrent mostly deals with pirated contents, and its users are used to using BitTorrent's services for free. How Tron intends to profit from this remains unclear. But one thing is certain: if Tron manages to take advantage of 100 million users of BitTorrent, its price might hit the tallest mountain in our world, if not the moon. Tron's acquisition of blockchain.org. Following the purchase of BitTorrent, Tron TRX went ahead to acquire blockchain.org, a top-level domain name that many consider as one of the significant acquisitions ever made in the blockchain industry. And the plans Tron intends to do with the domain name is to make it a decentralized Google for the crypto community members and the entire blockchain industry, as the default search engines usually lack complete information about the industry. Tron will not benefit from this venture in any direct monetary way, as the project is categorized as a non-profit venture, but it will surely have some indirect positive influence in its prices, as it will assist in increasing consumer confidence in Tron TRX as a blockchain and a currency. Consequently, the above two are just a couple of reasons among many to believe we could witness a huge Tron TRX price surge in the near future. Of course, for that to happen, the market needs to have a nice rally, as well as Tron needs to make use of its user base in a way that turns the table for the cryptocurrency. Is Tron TRX building a decentralized exchange for future tokens on its platform? The Tron TRX community on Twitter is excited over news that there is a TRX decentralized exchange in the pipeline. According to the rumors, the decentralized exchange will be known as TRX Market, and the team behind it have declared their candidacy for Tron's super representative elections. One of the tweets that mentions the TRX decentralized exchange is by @Elfofmist, who lives and breathes Tron. His tweet can be seen below with the accompanying image of the anticipated TRX decentralized exchange. Further investigating the claim, we find that the team TRX Market has been mentioned by Justin Sun in a tweet that stated the following: TRX Market will run for #Tron TRX. TRX Market is a decentralized exchange based on the #Tron network. It aims to provide decentralized exchange services for the Tron community. #TRX. $TRX. The announcement on the Tron Super Representative page states that TRX Market plans on working together with the other 26 duly elected seniors to build the Tron community, maintain the healthy development of the community, and contribute to the progress of the blockchain industry. Is with the above statements that it can be deduced that TRX Market is a completely separate entity from the Tron Foundation. This furthers the notion that Justin Sun and the Tron Foundation plan on taking a hands-off approach in terms of the governance of the Tron ecosystem. Once all the seniors are elected, the future of the project solely lies in the hands of the community and the seniors that represent them. Is TRX Market exclusively for Tron future tokens? Now the million-dollar question here is if TRX market will be a decentralized exchange for all cryptocurrencies in the cryptoverse, or will it be specifically for tokens created on the yet-to-be-complete mainnet? The picture provided with the logo of TRX market states that it is a decentralized exchange for TRC20 tokens. The TRC20 protocol is part of the Trust Node's first mineable DAG, directed acyclic graph, public ledger. Trust Node provides a solution for tokenized applications and microtransactions that is fast, easy to use, low cost, and scalable. The TRC20 standard makes it easy for anyone on any device to issue and transfer their own tokens. The Trust Node's Medium page goes on to state the following about Tron. The implementation of the third and fourth phase of Tron blockchain will give content creators a stake for personal brand through individual ICOs. To implement this, Tron might have to implement Ethereum-like smart contracts. From this last phrase, we can deduce that ICOs and unique tokens on the Tron network are a possibility in the future. With TRX market becoming a super representative, these TRX-based tokens will have a decentralized exchange for trading. Perhaps a clarification on how the TRX market decentralized exchange will operate will be provided with time and after they accumulate enough votes to become super representatives on the Tron network. What is known from the above research is that it is not directly associated with the Tron Foundation or Justin Sunday.